If you need to insert a new page in LibreOffice Writer, the fastest way is actually really simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds, whether you're starting a fresh document or adding a new page in the middle of your work. This is one of those small shortcuts that can save you a lot of time once you know it. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you already have it pinned to your taskbar or desktop, go ahead and launch it from there. Once LibreOffice opens, you'll see the Start Center with different document options. From here, click on Writer Document to create a new text document in LibreOffice Writer. This is the word processor where you can type, format, and organize your content. Now that your Writer document is open, the key step is to place your cursor exactly where you want the new page to begin. This is important because LibreOffice will insert the page break at the cursor location. So if you want the new page after a heading, after a paragraph, or right at a certain point in the document, click there first. You should see the blinking text cursor on the page. Once your cursor is in the right spot, press Ctrl and Enter on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut inserts a page break instantly. LibreOffice Writer will move everything after your cursor onto a brand new page. You do not need to open any menus or search through settings. It really is that quick. If you want to check that it worked, scroll down and you'll see the new page has been added right away. You can now continue typing on the new page, and your document will stay organized exactly the way you want. This is especially useful for reports, essays, forms, manuals, and any document where you want clean separation between sections. If you're wondering whether there's another way to do this, you can also use the menu options in LibreOffice Writer. But for most users, the Ctrl+Enter shortcut is the fastest and easiest method. It's perfect when you want to work efficiently without taking your hands off the keyboard. And that's it. You've now learned how to insert a new page in LibreOffice Writer. Just open Writer, click where you want the page, and press Ctrl+Enter. Simple, fast, and very useful. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.